Hello traders, and welcome to our edition of Tactics and Analysis for Tuesday, March the 28th. The Canadian dollar has remained a volatile currency against the US dollar and is testing traders. After initially gaining against the US dollar when the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike was announced, the loonie, as the Canadian dollar is known, has lost value rapidly the past couple of days. The loonie has been one of the few major currencies that has been weaker against the US dollar. An overwhelming factor for the Canadian dollar remains the price of crude oil. The energy sector continues to experience headwinds because of a supply glut. The rampant production being seen in the North American energy sector has put a dent in the value of crude oil and thus has affected the loonie negatively. Economic data the past few weeks have been showing signs of improvement in Canada. Last week's inflation numbers met their targets. The better statistics from the nation indicate a rebound may be underway. However, gross domestic product numbers will come from Canada this Friday, and the outcome is not expected to show a significant increase in growth. From a midterm perspective, the Canadian dollar remains in a weakened range against the US dollar. Of potential significance is the Crude Oil Inventories report, which will come from the US on Wednesday. If tomorrow's supply numbers from the States come in higher than expected, the price of crude oil could be impacted. OPEC is considering extending its cutbacks on production an additional 6 months, but the fact of the matter is, the US and Canada are both producing plenty of energy and are not members of OPEC, which means the price of crude oil remains vulnerable. The Canadian dollar is therefore a volatile position. It has lost value against the US dollar in Forex, while most other major currencies have in fact gained. Traders should remain vigilant because the loonie will remain speculative if the energy sector remains under pressure. The short term could be negative for the Canadian dollar. Midterm and long term, we are unbiased. Thank you all for watching our Tactics and Analysis. We wish you all a profitable trading day, and we will see you again soon.